Assalamualaikum. This is Tuba Fatima. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video. So let's get started. Today I am going to be showing you how to get that perfectly even eyeliner on both sides. Using a simple trick, this technique is especially helpful if you really struggle with eyeliners and cannot do it freehand. So if you are ready, let's begin. Now I am good to go for this technique. I am going to be using some just regular office sticky tape. You can also use scotch tape, you can use cello tape, and you can also use painter's tape. Basically it just has to be a tape and sticky. I am just taking a small piece and I am going to fold it into half towards the side where it's not sticky, and now I am going to cut a small V in the outer edge of the open and using a small scissor. You can make this V as big or as small as you want your wing to be. And now when you open it up, you get to exactly equal stencils. For your wings, for both eyes, I am going to cut this tape in the center. So I can use one stencil for each eye. All I am going to do now is I am going to stick it in the very outer corner as an extension of my lower lash line. And this is how it should look for the wing stencils. Gel liner work best, but of course you can also use pen liners and you can also use liquid liners, but sometimes they tend to overflow or bleed. So I would stick to pen liners, and if you are not comfortable with any of these liners, you can most definitely use an eyeshadow as well. I am just taking it with Yanse pen liner. I am just going to go over the wing area that's exposed in the tape. You are just going to go over it a couple times, and it does not have to be precious. Just go ahead and paint over it, and the sticky tape will take care of making sure the wing comes out just perfect. Let's pull the stencils off the reveal the wing, and I should look something like this. You get perfectly equal wings on both sides. All we have to do now is line the top of lash line. That's pretty much it. You get that perfect winged liner without much effort. Once I am done, I like to clean up underneath with some concealer. That will help to sharpen the wing further. To finish up, I am going to apply some mascara, and that's pretty much it. The easiest trick to get perfectly even wings on both eyes. If you are enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I will see you soon with a brand new video.